go for a hike. So hi, my name is Janos and I'm all the way from Hungary. I'm gonna take the Gangtey Natural Trail, which is the most beautiful in Bhutan, and it takes about 4 kilometers. So depending on how fit you are. So the starting point right from here, from Gangtey Monastery. So let's start. So let's start the hike and enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Hi everyone, it's me, your host. Welcome to my channel, Explore with Sonam Jerry. So basically today, I along with my friend Janos Zovaz from Hungary, we are exploring a small trail known as Gangtey Natural Trail, and it's quite an easy one. And along the way, we will be showing you some beautiful view of the valley as well as some beautiful plants to give you some extra information. Okay, so as we are walking, we have a beautiful plant out here. The name of this plant is known as a definite plant. So in Bhutan, we use the bark of this tree to make a traditional paper out here. Okay, and it's a very important plant and quite useful in our country as well. But nowadays, with the changing of time, we no longer use, but still then we kind of respect this plant as well. Thank you.
So we are 3,000 meters above the sea level. So if you want to take this trail, it's advisable to use warm clothing, okay, and some water, depending on how fit you are, how much you need. Okay. So let's continue the trail. So, as just my well-experienced guide, Sonam Jerry, said that it's been really quite easy to walk this trail. It's not exhausting at all because you just need to walk downhill. So we just pass through this wonderful pine tree forest and reach the agricultural area. So where mostly is potato cultivated. Let's keep on walking. You can see a lot of stupas like this all over the country, but when you approach one, you have to walk around clockwise direction, just like I did. So you can see the monastery over there on the hilltop. So we've been walking for about 30 minutes and now along the farm road, and we need to change now the trailway, as you can see on the sign. So we're gonna go back to the pine tree forest again. So whenever you take a long walk like this one and you feel lost, don't worry, because you always find a sign like this which shows you the way where you should go. where you can take a look over the entire valley. So let's go there and take some beautiful pictures. We are here now. Enjoy the beautiful scenery of Phobjikha Valley. Whenever I travel abroad, I always try to find a way, not for visiting the main sites, I mean museums or nice buildings, but a chance for a nice hiking, just like here I've been doing it in Bhutan. Because as for the benefits, you can keep yourself fit, you can get closer to the nature, and last but not least, you can find your own peace of mind. So whenever you have a chance, don't miss it.
Hi guys, so we have been hiking for almost 45 minutes now, and we started our hike from the Gangtey Monastery, which is on that hilltop, and then we have been coming down the hill. So the elevation out here is around 2800 meters above sea level, so it's pretty cool out here. So whenever you do a hike, make sure to carry some warm clothes, as well as bring some water bottle with you so that you don't feel thirsty along the way. And then this valley is quite an amazing valley, because during the winter time we have arrival of some of the beautiful birds from the Tibet, known as black-necked crane, and this is the place where they spend their winter time in Bhutan out here, and this is the place where they sleep, eat and everything. So this is a very marshy land, and out here when we have the cranes, black-necked crane coming out here, we have a visit of lots of tourists to see these beautiful birds, and in that way, due to the black-necked crane, we have tourists, and due to the economy coming to this valley, and due to that one, it really benefits our countries as well. And it's really important to respect the nature as well. So make sure we do not pollute this valley by throwing unwanted rubbish around. Make sure you take care of your own rubbish, and make sure to enjoy this valley and enjoy the beauty of this valley as well. So it is very interesting to do. And we have a canopy out here. This is where you can have you can bring your pack lunch, and you can enjoy the view of this valley along with your delicious pack lunch. So you can enjoy the view from here as well. Okay, and yeah, it's a good hike. I would recommend everyone to explore this trail, okay, known as Gangtey Natural Trail.
So as you can see, it's getting a little bit more chilly, but worth visiting because of the amazing view, as you can see. this is where our hike ends. It's been a memorable hour with a fantastic view all around. So if you visit this area, I definitely recommend to come around.